Prepare to be dazzled. This January, our solar system is putting on an extraordinary show. For the entire month, a rare celestial event will grace our night sky. 4 planets will align, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This celestial dance is not to be missed. It's a chance to witness the vastness of our solar system and our place within it. Throughout January, keen-eyed observers can witness a stunning conjunction. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars will align. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing these 4 planets, each a shining beacon in the darkness. This rare alignment is a sight to behold. What makes this event even more special is its rarity. Planetary conjunctions of this magnitude don't happen every year. In fact, they are relatively infrequent occurrences in the grand scheme of celestial events. So, mark your calendars and set your alarms. This January, let's step outside and gaze up at the wonders of the cosmos. The universe is putting on a show just for us. Let's not miss it. Let's meet the stars of our celestial show. Each planet brings its own unique beauty and splendor to this cosmic dance. First, we have Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor. Known for its brilliance, Venus will be the brightest of the 4 planets in the alignment. Look for its dazzling white light low in the southwestern sky after sunset. Next, we have Saturn, the ringed wonder. While Saturn's rings won't be visible to the naked eye, the planet itself will still captivate with its pale yellow glow. You'll find Saturn positioned just above and to the left of Venus. Moving higher in the sky, we encounter Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's immense size makes it incredibly bright, shining with a steady, creamy white light. Look for Jupiter above Venus and Saturn, slightly offset to the east. Finally, we have Mars, the red planet. Mars is easily recognizable by its distinctive reddish hue. You'll find Mars shining brightly in the eastern sky. As we'll discover, Mars has a special role to play in this month's celestial display. As if a 4-planet alignment wasn't spectacular enough, Venus and Saturn have decided to treat us to an extra special performance. Throughout January, these 2 planets will gradually draw closer together in the night sky. This cosmic dance culminates in a super-close approach in mid-January. During this time, Venus and Saturn will appear remarkably close to one another, almost as if they are about to touch. It's a sight that's sure to impress even the most casual stargazer. However, like all good things, this close encounter must eventually come to an end. On January 17th and 18th, Venus and Saturn will begin to part ways, their cosmic dance slowly drawing to a close. Don't miss your chance to witness this celestial tango. The sight of these 2 planets seemingly gliding past each other is a testament to the elegance and beauty of our solar system. Section 4. Jupiter and Mars, shining brightly. While Venus and Saturn are putting on their intimate display, Jupiter and Mars aren't content to be wallflowers. They too have something special to offer this January. Jupiter, as always, will command attention with its sheer brilliance. As the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter's presence is hard to ignore. Throughout January, Jupiter will shine brightly in the night sky, a beacon of light for all to see. Meanwhile, Mars will be adding its own fiery flair to the celestial showcase. This January, Mars is in opposition, meaning it's directly opposite the Sun from our perspective on Earth. This alignment has a special effect on Mars's appearance. During opposition, Mars appears larger and brighter than usual. It's as if the red planet is putting on its finest attire for this celestial celebration. So keep your eyes peeled for Jupiter and Mars as they light up the night sky. Their brilliance is a testament to the awe-inspiring nature of our universe. Section 5. Uranus and Neptune, hidden gems. While our 4 main celestial performers are easily visible to the naked eye, there are 2 other planets lurking in the darkness, visible only with a little help from technology. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants of our solar system, are also part of this planetary alignment. While they might be fainter than their counterparts, they are no less fascinating. With a good pair of binoculars or even better, a telescope, you can spot these elusive giants. Uranus will appear as a small blue-green disk, while Neptune will be a faint blue dot. To find them, use a stargazing app or consult a star chart to locate their positions relative to the other planets. It's like a cosmic treasure hunt, searching for these hidden gems amidst the vastness of space. Seeing Uranus and Neptune alongside the other planets provides a sense of the true scale of our solar system. It's a humbling reminder of just how vast and awe-inspiring our universe truly is. Section 6, a sight to behold. This January we have a rare opportunity to witness a celestial spectacle. 4 planets aligned, a cosmic dance between Venus and Saturn, Mars shining brightly in opposition, and even the chance to spot Uranus and Neptune. It's an event that no stargazer should miss. So, find a spot with minimal light pollution. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness, and look up. Let the wonders of the cosmos wash over you as you witness this extraordinary planetary alignment. These celestial events remind us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. They ignite our curiosity and inspire us to learn more about the universe we inhabit. So this January, let's answer the call of the cosmos and marvel at the celestial display unfolding above us.